Hello everybody, I'm back with another video, this time to solve the 2x2. So as you can see, it doesn't even have a centerpiece, just corners. It's very easy and I'm going to make it easier for you to solve with my very easy method to solve the 2x2. And after this, if you want to know how to solve the 3x3, I've made a video on this also already, so I'll give you the link in the description. And now let's scramble the 2x2. Now it's pretty much scrambled. Now we'll begin. So first of all, you can start with any side, but I recommend you to start with the white side. And I think you should go with my preferences because then it'll be easier to, go along with me. So I always choose the white side because it's easy. And what you gotta do first is just find one white piece, any white piece, like doesn't matter, just one white piece. Here's a white piece, okay? And now you gotta check the color over here, which is green and red. You can choose any of these, white or green or white or red. I'm gonna go with white or red, white and red. And now we need to find another piece which has white and red. Let's see. No, it is white or green, white and blue, white and orange, white and red. Now you find a white and red. So now let's just put this over here along with this one so that they both match. Let's put this over here. Bring this up and it's aligned. Okay. Now let's check the color over here, white and blue. So let's find white and blue. White and blue. Here it is. So now let's put this over here. Just take this over here and send it above. Only one white piece to go for the first layer. Okay. So now you don't need to really figure out which color because there's only one piece left. Just bring this down, bring this in, and send this back. And we are done with our first layer. Way to go, guys. Now, when you're done with the first layer, you might be starting with some other color, but if you're starting with the white, then what you gotta do is keep it at the bottom. Same with any other color. Supposedly you're starting with blue and this was done. You just keep it at the bottom. Okay, so let's flip this down, keep the white at the bottom, and let's start from here. Now what you need to do is, if you check in a 3x3, then white is over here and yellow always stays opposite to the white. So it should be the same over here. White over here, we've made the white side over here, so the yellow belongs here, and there's two yellow pieces over here. Okay, and it's the same as the case in the 3x3 when it has a double fish head like this. If you hide these corners, you'll see it, the double fish head. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you an algorithm, and it's going to come below over here in the video. And the algorithm is R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, and R prime. Okay, so now because we got this line, it's a special case, this line, and you keep it at the right side. In any other case, you keep it at the left side, but over here you need to keep this at the right side. And let's repeat the algorithm, which is R U R prime U R U2. So now what you're gonna do is, there's no yellow remaining on the side, but you'll still repeat the algorithm. So R U R prime U R U2 R prime. Same special case, keep it at the right. R U R prime U R U2 R prime. And now we got this one white over here, and you need to keep it at the bottom left, as I told you. And in the 3x3 it will look like this. So now let's do the algorithm again. R U R prime U R U2 and R prime. And in the 3x3 it would look like this again, but this time it would have a piece over here, white piece just below over here. And this is the last time you're gonna repeat this algorithm, because now it's gonna make up your yellow side, and then you will have just this to go. So R U R prime U R U2 R prime, and we're done with our yellow. So just this to go, guys. So what our headlight is two pieces, okay, and the middle one does not matter. Like over here, supposingly it did have oops, supposingly it will have a headlight. A headlight looks like this in a 3x3, but over here you don't have a middle piece, so just a solid side, you can say. So this is the headlight, and if you don't get it in the first place, then you need to do the algorithm I'm going to tell you. Then you're going to have the headlight, and then you're going to do it to solve the cube. So this is also the last algorithm. So let's do this. Keeping the headlights at the back, we'll do R prime. I need to say that this one is a bit long, but you'll get the hang of it. So R prime F R prime B 2 times, R F prime R prime B 2 times, and R 2 times. So now it's pretty much solved. Just move it and you're done. Okay, please like, subscribe, all that jazz. And if you want to solve the 3x3 as I told you earlier in the video, I will give you the link in the description. So, and one more thing, I don't like my cubes unsolved, so I'm gonna do this. Okay, goodbye.